Laura here. So as a single working mom, I pretty much live in my car, from taking my son to and from school, running errands, going to activities, and of course all the clients I have to see. So my car is an essential part of my life. My car is one of my top monthly expenses between gas, registration, insurance, and my car loan payment. Because I am a wellness and a life coach, it's very important to me that I make sound, mindful financial decisions. So my money savvy friend told me that I might be overpaying for my car loan, which is not cool because I thought I had a really good rate and loan term, but she recommended that I go to Upstart and see if that's the case, that I might be able to refinance my car loan and save money. Maybe some lessons would be good for that.
Please!
Well, thank you for coming over to help me with this.
You're welcome. Now let's get started. Let's go to upstart.com to find a better rate by refinancing your car loan.
Okay, but I do not like running my credit.
Don't worry. Checking your rate is quick, easy, secure, and has no impact on your credit score.
Well, what do they look for then?
They take factors such as education and job history into account to give people terms that are best for their individual needs.
So then what comes after I check my rate?
Upstart does all the heavy lifting to refinance your car loan so you can really sit back and relax during the whole process. The secure online form only takes a few minutes to complete.
All right, well, let's go ahead and fill it out then.
Let's go.
Upstart has helped more than 1.8 million borrowers across the U.S. Borrowers save an average of $4,800 over the lifetime of their loans when they refinance their car through Upstart. Well, I got approved, and it turns out I was overpaying for my car loan, and Upstart was able to save me $83 a month on average. Is that amazing? That's a lot of money every month. I'm so grateful for you to come over. Thank you so much for helping me today.
My pleasure. Now I have to run.
All right, well, I think I'm gonna run and get some ice cream. So, Brenner, let's go get some ice cream.
Yeah.
Oh my God, you're right here.
Yeah,
What flavor should we get?
chocolate.
Of course. All right, well, we saved money.
Cool.
Go to upstart.com to check the rate on your auto loan to see if you are overpaying. For more information, visit designingspaces.tv.